Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This global COVID-19 pandemic has brought about several changes in our lifestyle and daily habit. And one of these changes is work from home. We are working from home, we are attending schools and colleges from home. Those who are in the teaching profession are teaching from their home, teaching their students from their home through online classes. So all the online classes, whether be it online classes or whether be it work from home, has brought about a number of changes in our lifestyle, and this COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent lockdown has forced us to implement these changes. So in this COVID-19 pandemic, maybe those who are in schools and colleges as well as those who are working in offices and other organizations are making use of taking the help of this Google Form concept. Teachers are sometimes organizing quizzes or questions and answers or examinations through Google Forms. Those who are undertaking surveys are using the help of Google Forms. Not only the researchers but even companies are using the help of these Google Forms. So today's video is about an app that helps in generating Google Form as well as managing that particular Google Form. This app is known as FormsApp. So let me first of all show you how this FormsApp is installed and downloaded in our smartphone. I am searching for this. You may search with Google Form and you will get this FormsApp because it has the maximum number of reviews. Say I had searched it beforehand, so I am getting this FormsApp. This app has been developed by SurveyHeart. It contains some ads, but it is free to use. And here we have got some 4.2 star reviews, and 16,000 people has reviewed this app. And it is a FormsApp, is a form builder app for SurveyHeart and Google Forms. So this app can be used for multiple uses. So first let me install it. Here this FormsApp can be used for taking attendance, for organizing webinars, for conducting surveys, for organizing quizzes and various other multiple purposes. So this FormsApp is very useful, and this FormsApp, the best use of this FormsApp is that we can generate a form instantly through our smartphone. We need not have any laptop or a desktop with our disposal. Even if we do not have access to these laptops and desktops, we can generate a Google form and use it for survey purpose, for attendance purpose, for webinar purpose, and so on and so forth. It is about 10.95 MB, so anyone can download this app. Now it is being installed. The app has been installed, so let me just open it. Here it states that you can create and edit forms on the go. This FormsApp where we can create and edit forms on the go, and results, we can also obtain results from this FormsApp, that is after the responses have been received. Just like any other Google form, after the responses have been received, we can analyze those results using individual and summary views. And we can also export form responses as XLSS, that is as an Excel file, as a PDF file, and as also a CSV file. Now they will ask for a Google it is being scanned for virus. Now I am opening it. FormsApp. I am choosing my mail ID. So here I am getting a few templates like customer satisfaction to get customers view on our company, employee satisfaction to know how much the employee is satisfied in their job, for website feedbacks to get feedbacks from the visitors of your website, for general meeting, ask your colleagues about their feelings and understanding, general event feedback to get seminars feedback and impact. Those of us who are involved in organizing webinars can use this FormsApp and generate a form instantly to get feedback from those seminars and webinars, from the participants of those seminars and webinars. Then suggestions form asks people which area to be changed or updated, and customer feedback to know how much your customers are satisfied. Furthermore, there is also a template for education, but let me first of all create a blank form. Suppose we want to create a form to get some attendance of a participants of a particular webinar or seminar. So this may be, so first of all let me write it about webinar on Google Forms. Description, you may write some description, that is the who are organizing. In case of webinar, we write the description of the organizers, that is organized by some school or college or institution or university, whatever may be the institution that is organizing the webinar, along with their addresses. After that, there are multiple options which can be chosen. For short answer, you have to choose the short answer option. For long answer, you have to choose the long answer option. For multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, linear scale, multiple choice grid, date, time, add section. There is various options which are available. So first of all, we have to select some name. So we are selecting the shorter answer option, and here we will write name of the participant. Name of the participant. We are making it required, that means this will be a mandatory field. After that, we want to know the designation of the participant. So your designation, we are also making it a mandatory field. Here we can use drop down menu and we can specify some designation, or we can use it as a short answer also. That is, the participant will write his or her designation in that particular place. Then we want to know the affiliation of that particular participant, that is the affiliating institute, which may be a school, a college or an university. So it is also again a short answer type. Now we may want to collect the contact details of that particular participant. So we may write mobile or contact number. And we may also give the option that it may be preferably a WhatsApp number. And we are making it a required field. After that, we may collect email addresses. So we have to click the settings and we have to collect email addresses, and we may allow multiple responses or we may not allow multiple responses. Generally, per email address only one response is allowed, so we are not allowing these multiple responses. And we want to know the summary of the participants, that is the respondents, to view summary of all responses. So we are obtaining a summary, and now we are submitting it. So our Google form is now ready for use. Google form is now ready for use. Now a form link is available. You may copy that link or you may view that form, the form that you have just prepared or created. You may view that form. This is webinar on Google Forms organized by some school or college. Address will be given here. It collects the email address settings, name of the participant, designation, affiliation, mobile number, contact number, etc. has been given. And so this form is for the registration purpose. So this form is for registration of the participants. So this is a type of form which we have already created. Now if we want to share this form, we may copy the link. Now we can copy the link and share it through any of the platforms, through mail, through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through Twitter, or through any other social media platform, and share it to the maximum number of participants whom we intend to invite for our particular webinar or seminar. I will also like to share how we can use this Forms app to generate a quiz. So first of all, I will exit this app. Again, I will enter this app and click on SurveyHeart, where there are templates for quizzes are available. So this is the quiz. I am clicking on the quiz section. So let me create a form for online quiz on, say, Bollywood movies. So description for information and entertainment purpose only. So I have described this form. Now I am adding some questions. I want the quiz to be of multiple choice option. So I am selecting the multiple choice. Now I have some images stored in my gallery. So I will select one image from the gallery. I had stored these 3 images. So this one is from the film Anand. Suppose I want to post a question that identify the movie. From this dialog, one has to identify the movie. So I may give certain options of Rajesh Khanna films like Kati Patang, Amar Prem, Anand, and one non-Rajesh Khanna film. So now I have left to specify the answer. The correct answer is Anand. I have specified it. I make it a required question and I add another question. So this is all about the first question. Now I want to add one more question. So I'm adding a second question which will also be about a movie. So one has to identify the movie. 4 options may be given. First of all, I have to select an image already stored here. This is from the movie Kal Ho Na Ho. So I am giving options of various Shah Rukh Khan films like Swades, Chak De India, Kal Ho Na Ho, and Ravan, or rather Dawn. I have to specify the answer. So answer here is Kal Ho Na Ho. This is the required question. So in this way I may keep on adding questions, and the quiz will consist of the questions and the number of questions that I want to insert. And after completion of the quiz, I have to go to the settings and change the settings as per my preferences. If I want to add some theme of this webinar, I may add some theme. Suppose I want a theme to be no theme for Bollywood is given here. So various themes like travel, guitar, music, etc. are given. Suppose I want to add this light blue theme. So theme will be light blue in color. Start. So theme will be like this. We may add some more questions to it, and we may go to the settings and we may add mail ID and mobile number of the participants. So each and every participant will have to add not only his name but also his mobile number and email ID, and thereby we can collect the email settings. We may also set the duration for the quiz. Suppose this quiz I want it to be a really short quiz of say 5 minutes. So I have added this 5-minute timer has been added. Whether the quizzer wants to allow multiple attempts or not, so setting on that, it can be added. Then whether the particular organizer wants to show the logo of in the form or not, so that may be added. So various other options are available. Now I may get a preview. So here I have to write the name, details, and after that I can start the quiz. So this is how this quiz can also be generated. A form for quiz can also be generated through this FormsApp. So this FormsApp is a very beautiful app and a wonderful app which can be used to replace the Google form, which we can use through our smartphone. We need not open our laptop or desktop to use this FormsApp. We can use it through our smartphone. We can generate instant quizzes, we can generate instant forms and use it for multiple purposes, whether be it for research purpose or be it for our education purpose or for office purpose. We can use it for work, for home, for education, for entertainment, various other purposes. So this FormsApp is a wonderful app, and this video is all about how we can install this app and use this app to generate forms, to control those forms, and to generate various quizzes. Thank you.